Welcome to Ruperi Computer Science and Career Institute. Fybcom Semester 2 Lecture of Subject Mathematics and Statistics. Our today's topic is simple interest. We take some examples on simple interest. In last lecture I was explain simple interest and take two examples. Now this is third example. Example number 3. A person lent rupees 4,000 to Mr. X and rupees 6,000 to Mr. Y for a period of 10 years and received total of rupees 3,500 as simple interest. Find first rate of interest, second simple interest from Mr. X, Mr. Y. Now solution of this question. See, we have given what the person lent rupees 4,000 to Mr. X and rupees 6,000 to Mr. Y. Therefore, 10,000 is our P. Therefore, see, solution given P is equal to rupees 4,000 plus 6,000 is equal to rupees 10,000. N is equal to 10 and I is equal to 3,500. Yes. Now using simple interest formula, simple interest I is equal to P N R divided by 100. Now substituting the values, that is, see, the interest is given, I is equal to given what? 3,500. Therefore, next line, therefore 3,500 is equal to 10,000 into 10 into R. 10,000 into 10 into R divided by 100. Divided by 100. No. 2 zeros gone. Above 2 zeros gone. That is, this gone. 10 and 2. That is 1000 R is equal to 3,500. Therefore, 3,500 is equal to 1000 R. Right? Therefore, R is equal to what? R is equal to 3.5. Therefore, R is equal to 3.5. Therefore, the rate of interest is equal to, therefore, rate of interest is equal to 3.5%. Okay. Now, we calculate simple interest from Mr. X. Therefore, simple interest from Mr. X is equal to, now X को कितना दिया है पैसा? 4,000. 4,000 into 10 into 3.5 divided by 100. That is 4,000 into 10 into 3.5 whole divided by 100. Right? Then 2 zeros gone. Then that also gone. Okay. And we get simple interest from Mr. X is equal to 1,400. 1,400. Yes. Similarly, we calculate simple interest from Mr. Y. Therefore, simple interest from Mr. Y is equal to 6,000 into 10, 6,000 into 10 into 3.5 whole divided by 100. Okay, then this two zeros gone, that is 100, and that is also gone, and left is simple interest from Mr. Y is equal to 2100. Okay, this is our final solution.